Hello friend, in previous tutorial we have seen that what is the date, time, timestamp and timestamp tz function and what are these data type. Also to date, to timestamp function also we have seen in previous tutorial. Okay, let's see some more date and time functions. Okay, let's see systems month and date setting. Okay, so uh, for viewing systems month and systems month date setting, we need to use a keyword show date time sorry date style show date style. This gives us an system's date style, but oh yes, show date style. My current date style is ISO DMY. So D for day, month for month, first day after month and after year. Okay, here you can see that 1408 and then year. Okay, if we want to set a new date style to our system, we can use set a date style. This is the syntax of setting a new date style. That style set date style equal to in, in quote type comma format, where there are too many types. The type may be ISO, it may be PostgreSQL, or it may be SQL, or it may be German. There are too many types. My type is here ISO. Okay, and the format is there. Format also like MDY, month day year, and DYM, day year month, year month and or day month year. Year is at last, year is at middle, and year is at last with day and m exchange here. Okay, there are too many formats. Okay, now we can set our date style to some other. Okay, let's copy it first so that we can revert it to back. Set date style. This is not a function. We need to pass two parameter to equal in using equal sign. So suppose now my format is DMI. Let us set to ISO type, and format is suppose DMY na MDY, suppose MDY. Okay, let's see it one over for now. Yes, T is missing here, sorry. The query returned successfully. If I use this query show date style, then I can see my date style is now become ISO and MDY. Yes, ISO and MDY. So I am reverting back to as it is ISO and DMI, day month year. Yes, ISO day month year. Okay, that's it. Date construction function. Okay, there are too many date construction function also. Let's see, suppose some important are make date. These function are not belong to PostgreSQL. This function belong to SQL standard. Make date, make time, make timestamp, and make interval. these function are used to uh, create a date. These are date construction. These all are date construction function. Let's use first. Suppose select make date. Make date is suppose pass a 2020 comma 01 and 01, and let's see what happen. It make date 2020 01 and 01. So in the two date and two timestamp function are not work properly. They are not handling error properly. Is this function handle error properly? Let's see. Yes, they are smart enough and take one as a 01 for month and day as a 01. That's it. Okay. It is smart enough to detect the values. Okay, let's use here hyphen. Is gonna work or not? Let's see. No. We need to pass this function, this value as a parameter. So parameter must be separated by commas. Okay, let's see. Insert 1 comma 1. That's it. Now we can run it. Okay, suppose I pass here month is not greater than 13. Let's see, let's check. Yes, date will out of range. This will give us an error. So this function are smart enough to detect error. Okay, let's see 12 and here 23. Yes, 23 can be dead, but 32 cannot be dead. Yes, it will give us an date to highlight. If I use here 31 as 31st December. Okay, and let's focus on select make time. Suppose make time function. Make time function makes a time for us. Okay, let's see. Suppose 2, 3 and 4 point suppose 05. First is the hour, second is the minute, and 4.05 is the second. Okay, let's run the query. You can see that 2 hour, 3 minute and 4 second with 2 precision 05, but it written a time without time zone, so that 05 is not a time zone, it is a precision of seconds. Okay, let's see with another example. Suppose 2 and hour, minute and second, 14 minute and 4.0 second. Yes, it worked fine. 2 hour, 14 minute and 4 second. Okay, let's use make timestamp function. Select make timestamp. Here, if we pass a 2020 year as a, after that it takes six parameter. Suppose first is the year, second is the month. Suppose month is 01 and day is 01. After that hour is 10, hour 30 minute and 45 second. That's it. Let's run the query. It will return a time without time zone, timestamp without time zone. It not including a time zone also. Let's see. 2020 is the year, 01 is the month, 01 is the day, 10 is the hour, 30 is the minute, 45 is the second. That's it. Let's see it gonna handle it is handle error or not. 2020 13 is the month. Let's see. Yes, it tells that value out of range 20, 30 and 01, because we cannot make greater than 12 month. So let's do with different let's 70 second. There are no 70 seconds. So here it give me an error. That's it. It is smart enough to detect error. Okay. Suppose use make interval function. Suppose use this makes timestamp function in Rod. Suppose select this return a timestamp without time zone. Let's use make timestamp tz function. Timestamp tz function. It return a timestamp with time zone. Okay, let's see how. Suppose 2020 is the first parameter, 0 to month, 0 to day, 15 hour, sorry, 0 to day, 10 hour, 30 minute, 45 second, point 35 is the precision of second. Let's run the above and down query. Here you can see that time with time zone means year, month, day, hour, minute, second with precision plus 05 is the time zone. My time zone is now 05 and colon 30. Yes. So this return time stamp with time zone. Okay. Let's make some error or check it gonna handle or not. Here I have not provided time zone, so it takes current time zone. Here I have not provided any time zone, so let's uh, okay, using PG type of I can check that the return type of this function. Okay, let's see. Let's insert here one more bracket and check the PG underscore type of function is used to detect the type of particular okay, string or values. Okay, timestamp with time zone. Okay, I know. Oh, suppose, okay, suppose to view available time zone, we use time zone names. Suppose select star from PG time zone names. Time zone PG time zone names. That's it. This function is used to list available time zone. All available time zone. Okay, it will take a few. Okay, you can see that Africa, and this is the abbreviation. This is UTC offset, and this is a DST means daylight saving. Okay, daylight saving is somewhere on. You can see that all values are not false. Here you can see that some values are true also. Yes, here HDT, AKDT, ACDT are true. Okay, or you can see this abbreviation also using select star from PG time zone abbreviations only. PG time zone underscore abrews abrews abrews. Let's run the down query. Okay, let's see abbreviation UTC offset and EST. Here time zone not comes. Okay, the above is good. PG time and simple to PG time zone names. Okay, suppose let's run select make time select let's suppose First make time zone timestamp tz with suppose 2020 first parameter, second is 0 to 15 10 hour 35 minute 15 second 15.35 second. Okay, let's run this up. Make timestamp. Make time stamp tz with this parameter. Is there any error? No. Okay. Time stamp with time zone. If I use here pg type of function for this pg type of time stamp with time zone, that's it. Okay. pg type of but with pass a value for time zone also. Suppose the value is US Alaska. Alaska. Now let's check the type is timestamp with time zone. Same, but it if I use only this, then it will return a value like different. That 05 is the time zone. Okay, same timestamp. Or you can run with abbreviation also rather than here time zone name. Suppose abbreviation is EST. Let's run the query. It will run fine. Okay. Or if we know that our date is 2020 0 to 15, but if you check the list here, uh, select that was PG time zone names. PG time zone names. Here you can see that some values were true for last column. PG time zone names. What is the error? Select PG underscore time zone underscore names. Oh, select what star from. Okay, let's run the bottom query. So here in the last column you can say that it day is DAT means is daylight saving is true somewhere. Now you can see that here HDT abbreviation where daylight saving is true. Let's see HDT here. HDT. If I run this query, then it will give my date as a, let's see, time zone HDT not recognized. Oh, let's run this query again. Okay, let's copy this time zone name value where the last column is true and paste it here. Control V. This is the name of time zone where last column is true. Okay, let's see the value, how value here changes. Here you can see that our date was 2020 0 to 15, but the time changes 21:05:15 and 15:35 and 5:30. Here time, only time changes, but sometimes date also changes if the daylight saving is on. That's it. Okay. Mix time stamp which type of. Okay, let's see the last function is we have seen that make date function, make time function too, and make timestamp too. Then after that make timestamp tz2. Let's see now make interval function. Make, okay, with the help of example directly select make interval, select make interval with the, suppose the syntax is year, after that month, after that weeks, after that days, after that hour, after minute and second, like that. Okay, let's see with the help of example. Select suppose make interval of, suppose just pass 2020 year, 01 month, 01 again day, after that weeks here, and year 2020 month 1, year week 1 day 1, and hour minute second, hour minute and second. That's it. Let's run this one. Here you can see that it give me 2020 year 1 month 8 days because 1 week and 1 day, and 10 30 45 time. That's it. Okay, see the effect of week number. Suppose first year month week. Let's copy this several times. Control C, comma, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, semicolon. Let's comma, comma, comma. Year month week, third value is, let's change the effect of, let's change the third value and see the effect. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let's run this query. Here you can see that first 1 month 8 days, second 1 month 15 days because 2 week, third 1 month 22 days because third week, 3 week, 4 week, and here 5 week, 36 days. That's it. So how a make interval function work? We can use name notation too. Okay, let's see how we can. Suppose select make interval, suppose days to 10 means 10 days. What is this 10 days? That 10 days. So this is looks good because every time we need to remember this after and inputting value like this. So this format looks good for inserting value. Suppose let's try with month 10 and comma days 2 days, and after that minute, suppose minute minutes, minutes, or means, let's say means 35. Let's run this. Yes, that's 10 months, 2 days, and 35 seconds, 35 minutes, a second, minute, and hour. Okay, so let's make interval weeks of 2 weeks. 2 weeks means how many days? Okay, let's weeks 2. Let's run this. That is how that is. 2 weeks means how that is 7 to 7 into 2. Okay, 3 weeks, 21 days. That's all about these four or five function. Make date, make time, make timestamp, make timestamp, tz and make interval. These all function handle error very carefully, and these all are date construction function. Okay, that's all about it. Thank you.